Welcome to forex trading room.tv. Again, today, Friday, the last Friday before vote in the United States, we're going to trade forex market. We see if there will be any opportunity for us to win any money. I'm suspecting that market will be a little bit slower than usually because, like I said, voting, Mr. Trump or Ms. Clinton. We'll see soon. Before you start our live broadcasting from our studio, from our private office, please take a moment, take a look at the legal disclaimer we are obligated to show you. Thank you very much for watching. Disclaimer: I'm analyst. I'm analyzing forex market based on Forex Pro Analytics. That's the only one tool, the only one indicator we have here, we're using here to analyze the market. It's the best tool ever built especially and only exclusively for a forex market. How does it work? You can go to website www.forexproanalytics.com. There is a few beautiful, easy to watch movies. You will have an idea how does it work, why we buying, why we selling, how the trends are building, why sometimes the trend goes up, why sometimes the trend goes down. Everything is there, everything, the whole market. So coming back for today's situation on the market, now is almost 10 o'clock here in Europe time, in New York, which we're calling Easter time. Go to Forex Pro Analytics. I would like to see what's going on the market. So what we have on the market now is Swiss franc is getting stronger and stronger. You see these green arrows, the green arrows on Swiss franc, and this is today the strongest currency. And right now we can see that British pound is getting stronger. What else? Canadian, loonie, we call it the petrodollar. Why petrodollar? Because it's correlation between oil and Canadian dollar. Commodities, yes, the most important commodity, oil, crude oil. We know the prices, lately they going down. That's why the Canadian dollar is going down as well. 1 minute US dollar is getting weaker a little bit. Is due to the situation in the United States. We don't know who is gonna win, but depends on the situation, on the polls. The US dollar will be go up or going down. Let's go back to portal, to station. The currency pair I would like to see is USD and franc. Let's go to USD and franc. I just need a moment to get there. USD franc. There we go. Like I said before, the franc is the strongest currency today. You see the downtrend, is a 1 hour chart. It's a strong downtrend, which means the US dollar is going down, which is weaker, cheaper, and Swiss franc is more expensive. That's the knowledge I have now. How can I use it? I can use it in two ways. The one way is I can go according to the trend, which I can sell, or I can go against the trend. I can buy. And please understand, from my perspective, it really doesn't matter. I just have to pick the one direction I want to trade. It really doesn't matter for me if I trade with the trend or against the trend. Let's go back to 1 minute chart. Is the chart I'm gonna watch now. Was giving some idea for a short term what's going on really. You know, it looks like it's going to be in a head and shoulder situation here. If you don't know what head and shoulder is, you can go to www.forexproanalytics.com. There is that explanation about this formation on the market. So probably the chart will get to this level. Yeah. Just we have to wait for now. Go back to Forex Pro Analytics. I would like to see a trend on USD franc 1 minute chart. There you go. Now we see the arrow is pointing down. We had the arrow, blue arrow pointing up, which is changing of the trend. Let's say I'm gonna trade today according to the trend. So what should I do now? If we know there's a downtrend, I see the red arrow, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make a sell position. I just opened the sell position according to the trend today. So we have one position open on sell, USD franc. Why? Again, short explanation why I did it. I got it. Now I did it because of really strong trend on franc and US dollar, which is today trading against US dollar. We see the Canadian dollar is losing very big time, losing his strength. So let's try go to currency pair pound and Canadian dollar. We see the pound is getting stronger and Canadian dollar is getting weaker. Let's go to the chart. Let's go to the chart. Yeah, we need GBP. We need GBP franc. Excuse me, GBP cat. Which is going to be cat GBP. Canadian dollar is always the base currency. There we go. really strong uptrend. Like I said, like the Forex Pro Analytics, the best tool ever made for the Forex. It's really, let's go buy it. Let's go with the trend today. Let's go with the trend. We'll see how much we can make. All right. Let's set up this situation for us. This is 1 hour chart, 1 minute chart. So we had an enter this. We have 2 position open now. It's 2 position it with the trend according to Forex Pro Analytics. On the right corner of your screen you see the numbers. This is how it flies, the money flies. We hope we'll close positions on positive. We just have to give it some time. So stay with me. Now we're gonna be focused only on 2 charts, 2 positions. Beautiful. Forex Pro Analytics. How easy is to read this tool? How easy is to read this indicator? Canadian dollar, red arrows. British pound, Swiss franc, green arrows. As simple as that. That gives me an idea. I know how to determine where the strongest trend is on the Forex market. I don't have to be focused on 28 currency pair. I don't have to do it. What I need to do, I just have to be focused on the Forex Pro Analytics. I see the currencies, I need to see the strength, I need to see the trends, I see everything. As simple as that. So, go back to my chart. Yeah. Go back to my chart, go back to my positions. We see already GBP CAD is making some profit. We didn't set up the profit on USD franc yet. This is different currency. It goes a little bit slower. So let's say we get to this point back. GBP CAD, how much we wanna make? I think 200 bucks is not bad. Let's go 200 bucks. You know, honestly, me myself, I don't believe those stuff typically that I have to set up 10 pips, 8 pips, 12 pips, not in this situation. I'm just taking whatever I can take from the market. You see, already have a $100, 150, almost getting there. Let's see, I close this position, easy 150 bucks, very easy, very quick. We don't need this currency anymore. I'm gonna be focused now on the Swiss franc. Let's say, like I said, the Swiss and the US dollar franc is a currency pair. It goes a little bit slower. So we can't expect that quick win like we just won on GBP CAD. GBP CAD is really quick pair. Volatility, fluctuation is really fast, really fast. That's why it was so easy, so quick to make money. We can always do it again here according to the trend. So let's say there's a little bit of the discount here, a little bit of the discount. I'm gonna buy again, and I hope I'm gonna get another few bucks here. Maybe at that point. USD franc a little bit against us. We have to wait. And one more thing I like to see. One more thing I like to see is that pivot points and support and resistance lines. Pivot point and support and resistance lines. USD franc, we see 0.9702. That's a resistance. That's a really strong resistance. Like we see for a longer time, for almost 2 days, that's the line when the chart goes there, bounce and goes up. So I think that's the point we can take a profit, maybe a little bit below this line, maybe. And pivot 0.9730. This is really information for me. Probably today the chart won't go up more than to these lines. It's gonna be bounced between those lines. I'm going with the trend, so I'm going down. Let's go to the GBP and the CAD. That's the second currency pair I'm trading today. Oh, there we go. We just see that the chart just broke resistance line number 1. So probably it's gonna go forward toward the next resistance line, which is over here. This is over here. That's we're looking our opportunity to make money. We're going with the trend, with the trend, with the trend. So which is I'm going long position on this currency pair. Let's go back to charts. Okay, let's go back to the charts. How we're looking here. We're looking for some discount. I'm gonna go one more time sell with the trend, short position, USD franc. We'll see if we get there. Okay, just rock and roll. Let's go. Be with the game. And please remember, all that information here, it's my private system of trading. This is my private money. I don't give any financial advice. I'm just reading purely and literally. I'm just reading the Forex Pro Analytics. I know what to do only thanks to Forex Pro Analytics. We're going up again with GBP CAD. I don't mind to take 50 bucks. I don't mind to take another 50 bucks. I like it. Let's go to the account history from today. How are we doing so far? Today. I'll show you the whole history. There's no problem for me. Today, already we have $245. There you go. How long it took? 20 minutes. I'm a genius. No, I'm not a genius. It's Forex Pro Analytics. It's not me. You can do it the same. This I'm just reading the charts. That's all. Let's wait for this situation. We're already on the surplus, big surplus. 2 trades here, 1 trade here. We see the head and shoulder, like I said just before. This is formation, head and shoulder, formation, USD franc, left chart. I'm just waiting to get the chart get down a little bit and close the position, close the day. I don't like to work too long. 1 hour is enough. 2 hours is longer. For a moment, let's check the Forex Pro Analytics. If anything changed on the market. No, not much. Still, the Canadian is the weakest one. The franc is the strongest one. US dollar is neutral, but used to be weak. What are we gonna do? Anything? We see the Aussie is getting weaker. We see arrows, red arrows on the 1 and 5 minute chart. And we see the euro is getting stronger, the 1 and 5 minutes. It's on the really short period of time. I'm not sure if I want to go there. I still have 1 position up and I'm gonna be focused on this one. This one talking about USD franc. So we'll see. Can we make some money here? GBP cat, beautiful uptrend, beautiful uptrend. We could have waited and get more money, but you know, I never regret. Whatever happened, happened. On this market, yeah, I'm living on this present time, not in the future, not in the past, just the present time. Present time is position closed, positive, profit. USD franc, like I said, is slower. It's gonna be slower. It's a different currency pair. It's a different energy, different dynamics, totally different than GBP cat. GBP cat, in the blink of the eye, many changes. USD franc, not that many changes. So we just have to let this position fight. What I'm gonna do, I can get more out of it. Let's go and trade with a little bit more now. I'm not scared at all. It's my money, I can do whatever I want. Let's go sell it again. See if we get some more profit here. If we can. If we not, we're gonna try it. There we go. Guys, I tell you what, I'm gonna take a short break. Stay there. You can watch the charts. You can follow the numbers. I'll be back after a short break. You will see the screen. I'll see you soon. Welcome back. Short break. Still we have a situation on the chart. USD franc. It's a fight USD against franc, USD versus franc. That's the fight. The guys, they punching, jab jab jab. We wait for a knockdown for a US dollar that we can get a profit. Already closed 3 positions here. Just for a moment, just to show you some action, I can show you the whole history we're trading here. All transactions, guys, all transactions. You see all transactions, nothing to hide. Profit 1500. It's just from this month. It's just from the 1st of November. Like you see every transaction. We made it here live. We have nothing to hide. Beautiful, isn't it? Would you like to have anything like that? You can have it. You can have it. You can achieve that point. You can get to that point. But you need help. The help for me is not free lessons from YouTube. It's not wonderful strategies. If you Google it, if you go, there is too many guys. They can tell you how to make money, which we don't do absolutely here. We don't give any financial advice. We don't show anything. We're just reading like a Bible. We're just reading forex pro analytics. And you see the results. Stay with me. wait for USD franc. Go back to trades. A little bit higher. GBP cat. We made money here, quick money. So again, I'm gonna take a short break. I'm waiting for resolving the situation on USD and Swiss franc. I need 5 pips down and I'm done. I'm gonna close those positions. One is gonna be positive, the second one's gonna be negative, but overall surplus will be big. That's what I'm waiting for. When the chart get here, I'm a winner. If it goes up, I know what to do. So stay with me and you will see it.
Thanks for listening to AccuRadio.
online at lamina.ca.
Welcome back. The good news is all positions closed. All positions closed. Let's go to the account history. This is my trading, which I've done it here, live broadcast. $400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. All the positions positive. What can I say? What can I add? Guys, Forex Pro Analytics. Forex Pro Analytics. Again, Forex Pro Analytics. You want to make that money? Go to the www.forexproanalytics.com and maybe you will be finally trader like I am here. So thank you very much for today's session. I'll see you soon trading here from our private office, trading my private money, making every day something. Guys, take care. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see what's gonna happen on Tuesday in the United States of America. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.